Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to show you how to select the edges in different way and how the selection works in it. Okay, for example, I'll press Shift A and bring back a cube, and I'll go to tab and I will see if I can press one. I'll press one. If you don't have numpad, you can go to here. Okay, and what I want is that if I select this, and if I want all to be selected, I can press A and all the vertices will be selected. Okay, if I deselect, I have to press Alt A, so it will be deselected. Another thing is that inverting it. When I select this, Control I, all will be inverted. We talked about this, so I want to go on it quickly. So another thing is that we have box selection. For example, this is the box selection. I can select these ones here. You see, only this is selected. Sometimes we go to the front and we want to select this one, and we see only this is selected. We don't want this one only to be selected. This one, we want this one and this one to be selected. What we can do is that we will go to one and we are going to viewport shading. Okay, or we can press Z, go to the wireframe and select this, and you see Z and solid, you can see both is selected, because when we go to the front and select this, it doesn't recognize it. You see, it doesn't recognize the back. It can't see the back. When we are in the wireframe, it's like a ghost seeing everything. Okay, for example, I am selecting it, it is both selected. I can press Z and go to the solid, and it is both selected. If I go from here and select this and go to the Z wireframe, you can see there's a little orange here. If I select it again, an orange is added. So it explains that two of them is selected, and both oranges will make a strong orange. If it's one, see, if it's one, see here, it's a little bit orange. If I select it, both will be orange. And yeah, Z, let's press Z and go to the solid, and we can press W, so it will be circle. You see, if you want to click on it and select this one, you don't have to leave your left mouse. Okay, if you want both this to be selected, you will press your left mouse button and go like this, and both will be selected. Okay, when you are finished, you will take your hand off on the left mouse button. Okay, that was it. And another thing is that when you want to increase the radius, you can increase it like this from here. You see, and you can press W to go to the lasso. For example, I want this one to add this one. I'll go like this, and both will be selected. Or I can select like this, and the three of them will be selected. Okay, I can press W only. It's like clicking, no selection. I can't select. And W for the selection box. I can press B on my mouse. On my keyboard, on my keyboard, not on the mouse. B on the keyboard, and I can select this. You see, B like this. Even when I go to the one, selecting one, and go to here, you can see only this one will be selected. If I press B again, this one, nothing will happen. It's like this one. It's like a selection box. If I press C, C is, let's click on this and press C, select it, select it, select it. It's not like this one. In this one, when when we were here, when we click on it and click on this, it will not be selected. We should press left and it will be selected. But in the C, when we press C and scroll up or scroll down, you can see we can select it, or right click to deselect. Okay, and you see it's like this, and right click or escape from there. I'll go to here, yeah, this one. And what is left is that, yeah, I'll show you this one too. I'll just press tab and delete this, and shift A and go to the UV sphere. I'll press tab and I'll press C. Let me come to here, left and right click like this. When I press C, I want to select something. If I don't want this one, I can go with the right mouse button, click on it, and to deselect it, and I'll click left to here, so it will be deselected. I'll press C, selecting it. When I don't want this, I'll go right click to escape this command, and left click to here, so it will be not selected. So C, I will select this, and I want to rotate around this. I can't. What should I do? I will press right and I will rotate. You see? So it will not be deselected. And like this, we can deselect it by pressing left and C and go to here like this, and right click and C. It's half of it. As we said, it didn't see it. So what should we do? We can go to here to press this one and go to 1 and press C to select it, and right click, and we can see that it is selected. You see, we can press G to make it bigger, or left click on the space, so it will be deselected. Another thing is to press 3 and select this, and go to here is to select random. You see, it selects random. And when I press E, it is it is like a deformation, but I don't want this one. I'll escape from it. I'll say Alt E. I'll say extrude faces along normals, and like this. And I can see something like this. I'll press tab, and something like this happened. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.